Who's that girl there? I wonder what went wrong so that she had to roam the streets. She don't do major credit cards, I doubt she does receipts. It's all not quite legitimate. And what a scummy man. Just give him half the chance, I bet he'll rob you if he can. You can see it in his eyes, yeah, that he's got a driving ban amongst some other offences. And I've seen him with girls of the night, and he told Roxanne to put on a red light. It's all infected, but he'll be alright, 'cause he's a scumbag, don't you know? Yes, he's a scumbag, don't you know? There your eyes are staring at the ground. She makes a subtle proposition. I'm sorry, love, I'll have to turn you down. Oh, we must be up to summer. Well, I'll have a chance, it's sure it's more than likely. I've got a feeling in my stomach. Started to wonder what his story might be, what his story might be. And they said it changes when the sun goes down. Well, they said it changes when the sun goes down. And they said it changes when the sun goes down. Around here, around here. And looking comes a Ford Mondeo. Isn't he Mr. Inconspicuous? And he don't even have to say oh. She's in the stands ready to get picked up. I bet she's delighted when she sees him, pulling in and giving her the eye, thinking she must be fucking freezing. Scantily clad beneath the clear night sky, it don't stop in the winter, no. And they said it changes when the sun goes down. And they said it changes when the sun goes down. And they said it changes when the sun goes down. Around here. They said it changes when the sun goes down. Over the river going out to town. They said it changes when the sun goes down. Around here, around here. And what a scummy man. You can see in his eyes, yeah, that he's got a nasty plan. Oh, it's really in his eyes, yeah, that he's got a nasty plan. I hope you're not involved at all.